Our first step is to work out the total number of people who took part in the first round. As we know it's a histogram, we know the area represents the frequency. Calculating the area of my first bar, well, 5 take away 0 is 5. And it's going to be multiplied by, in this case, the height is 0.8. And 5 times 0.8 will give us 4. So that first bar represents 4 people. Look at my next bar. Well, I know 15 take away 5 is 10. And 10 multiplied by the height, in this case, it has a height of 1.6. And 10 times 1.6 gives us 16. So this next bar represents 16 people. Our next bar, 25 take away 15 is 10. So it's going to be 10 multiplied by the height. In this case, the height is 2.2. And 10 times 2.2 will give us 22. So that bar represents 22 people. Look at my last bar. Well, 40 take away 25 is 15. And that's multiplied by the height. In this case, the height is 1.2. And 15 times 1.2 will give us 18. So our last bar represents a total of 18 people. Therefore, to calculate the total number of people who took part in the first round of the competition, I'm going to add my 4, 16, 22 and 18 together. And that will come to 60. As only 20% of people got a high enough score to qualify for the second round, I need to calculate 20% of 60. Well, 20% as decimal is 0.2. And of means to multiply. So 0.2 multiplied by 60. And that will give us 12. So only 12 people qualified for the second round. And we know those 12 people must be the people with the highest scores. Look at my last bar. That represents 18 people. So the 12 people must fall in that last bar. As I know the area of the bar represents the frequency. And I want to find 12 people. Therefore, I'm going to do 12 divided by the height on my last bar. In this case, I had a frequency density of 1.2. And 12 divided by 1.2 gives us 10. So going back from 40, counting back 10. Hence, the score needed to qualify for the second round is 30.